decimal numbers. In this division of decimal numbers, we have three types. We have two. We need to discuss three types, and they are given problems on these three types. First one is division of decimal numbers by numbers like 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000, so on. Here division of decimal numbers by numbers like 10, 1000, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we have to divide the numbers by 10, 100 and 1000 like that. See here one problem. 3.5 divided by 10. I am dividing 3.5 with 10 here. So see here 3.5 is a decimal number and 10 is a whole number. So we have to convert this decimal number into whole number. See here, after decimal point we have only one digit. That's why we have to multiply with 10 in the numerator and also in the denominator also. Because of 10 and 10 is cancelled, 1 is the answer. So that's why we have to multiply both the denominator and numerator. So here after decimal point we have only one digit. That's why I am multiplying this number with 10. So multiply 3.5 with 10. Multiply here 3.5 with 10. 0 into 0, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 3, 0. And 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 3, 3. So 0, 5, 3. So here only one digit after decimal point. So put the decimal point after one digit. So the answer is 35. 35 divided by multiply 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 100. So 35 divided by 100 is the answer. Now convert this 35 by 100 into decimal number. How can we convert? By dividing this number. 100 here, 35. So 100 is greater than 35. It is not divided. So we have to put a decimal point here. That's why 0 is added. We have to add 0 here. So put decimal point here. So how many times? 3 times. 300. Now subtract this. If you subtract 350 minus 350 is the answer. Here decimal point we have also 0 here. 5 times 500, 0. So the answer is the quotient 0.35. So the answer is 0.35. Or we can write this directly. How can we write? Here see here denominator has 100. Denominator has 100. So put decimal point in the numerator after 2 digits. Why? Because here 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros. That's why we have to put a decimal point. We have to place a decimal point after 2 digits. See here 5, 3, 1, 2. After here put decimal point. So 0.35 is the answer. Okay, children. See another example here. 3.5 divided by, I am dividing 3.5 with 100. See here, after decimal point we have only one digit. That's why I am multiplying with 10 by 10. 35 by 100 into 10, 1000. See here in the denominator we have 1000. So 3 zeros. So put a decimal point in the numerator after 3 digits. So first digit is 5, second digit is 3. So it has only 2 digits. That's why I am adding another digit as 0. So I am placing a decimal point here. So the answer is 0.035. Or divide it. 35. I am dividing it with 1000. So 35 is less than 1000, so I am adding 0 here and the decimal point here. So 350 is also less than 1000, so I am adding another 0 by placing 0 here. So how many times? 3 times 3000. I am subtracting it, so the answer is 500. So because of decimal point I am placing a 0 here. 5 times 5000, 0. Okay children, see here, what is the quotient here? 0.035. So the answer is 0.035. Here see here denominator has 3 zeros, that's why I am placing a decimal point after 3 digits. Okay children. Okay, this is the first type, and the second type is division of a decimal number by a whole number. Division of a decimal number by a whole number. See one example here. 6.4 divided by 2. I am dividing 6.4 with 2. So how can we do this type of problems? See here, after decimal point we have only one digit. That's why I am multiplying it with 10 by 10. So multiply this. 6.4 into 10 means 64. Okay. Just see here, after decimal point only one point, that's why I am multiplying with 10. 6.4 into 10 is equal to 64 and 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Okay, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Now divide this. 20 here, 64. Okay, how many times in 20? 64? 3 times. 20 into 3, 60. See here, 0 into 3, 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6, total 60. So 60 here, subtract this. If you subtract this, 4 is the answer. Okay, 4 is less than 20. So we can place a decimal point here for adding 0 here. We have to place a decimal point here. Why we are adding decimal point here? For adding 0 here. For adding 0 here. So 40 how many times? 2 times. 20 into 2, 40. So the answer is, so the remainder is 0. Okay, so what is the answer here? Coefficient is the answer. If the remainder is 0, coefficient is the answer. Because of, we can write it as 3.2 into 0 by 20 is the actual answer. 3.2, 0 by 20 is the actual answer. 0 by 20 is 1. That's why 3.2 is the answer. 3.2. Or we can do it another way. See here, 6.4 divided by 2 into 10 by 10 equal to 64 by 2 into 10. In 2 table, 64 how many times? 6, 3 times. 0 and 4 I am taking this carry down to here. So 4 how many times? 2 times. 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So the answer is 32. 32 divided by 10 is remained here. So by 10. 32 divided by 10 is here only 1 0. In denominator we have 1 0. That's why after one digit we have to place a decimal point. Or this way we can do. Okay children. Third one is, okay, third one is division of decimal number by another decimal number. So we have to divide a decimal number with another decimal number. See one example here. I am taking 35.5 divided by 0.5. I am taking 35.5 divided by 0.5. See here, after decimal point, one digit. Here also after decimal point, one digit. That's why I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with 10 divided by 10. Okay, now multiply this. 35.5 into 10 is equal to 355 and 0.5 into 10 is equal to 5. Okay, now divide this. 355. I am dividing this. Okay, 3 is less than 5, so we have to take 2 digits. In 35, how many times? 7 times. 5 sevens are 35. Subtract this. If you subtract this, we get 0. Okay, now I am taking this carry down to here. 5. In 5, how many times? 1 time. 1 into 5. 5. 0. So the answer is 71. Okay, see another example here. I am taking same 35.5, but I am taking now 0.05. 0.05. See here 35.5 and 0.05. Here after decimal point we have only one digit, but here after decimal point we have 2 digits. That's why we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 100 by 100. Why we dividing with 100 by, why we multiplying with 100 by 100? We have to change this number into whole number. That's why we are multiplying with 100 by 100. If you multiply with 10 by 10, 0.05 into 10 is equal to 0.5 only. That's why I am multiplying with 100. So 35.5 into 100 is equal to 355 and after 0, 3550. How means here after decimal point 1 digits, here 2 digits, 2 zeros. That's why only 1 zero is added. 1 zero is cancelled by 1 decimal point. Or if you confuse, simply multiply it into 100. 0 into anything, zeros. 0 into anything, zeros. And 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 3, 3. Now add this. 0 here, 0, 5, 5, 3. See here, in the multiplication we have only one digit after decimal point. So put your decimal point after one digit. 0 is cancelled. So the answer is 3550. Okay children, 0.05 into 100. Here after decimal point we have 2 zeros. So here also 2 zeros. So 5 coming out. Now divide 3550 with 5. 5 here, 3550. How many times first? 7 times. 35. 0. 35 minus 35, 0. I am taking this 5 down to here. And this 0 also. Now, for this 0 we have to add. Sorry. How many times? 10 times. So 5 times are 50. Okay children, this is the answer. 710 is the answer. Like that we have to solve these problems. These are the 3 types: division of your decimal number by numbers like 10, 100 and 1000. So on, division of your decimal number by a whole number, and division of your decimal number by another decimal number. Now let's do some problems according to this. Okay children, see this. I am telling first one. 12.96 divided by 4. So we have to divide 12.96 with the 4. See here, we can write it as 12.96 by 4. So after decimal point we have 2 digits. After decimal point we have 2 digits. That's why I am multiplying it with 100 by 100. Now it becomes 1296 divided by 400. 1296 divided by 400. Now divide this. 1296 here and 400. So in 1200, in 12,000, 1296, how many times? 3 times. 3 into 400 is equal to 1200. See here, 3 zeros, 0, 3 zeros, 3 0, 3 fours, 12. Okay. Subtract this. 6 minus 0, 6, 9 minus 0, 9, and 12 minus 0, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. Okay. 96 is the remainder. Here 96 is less than 400. That's why I am placing a decimal point here for adding 0 here. I am placing a decimal point here for adding 0 here. In 900, how many times? 2 times. 2 into 400 is equal to 800. Now I am subtracting this. 160 is the remainder. Now add 0 here. Now how many times? 400, 1600 in 400, 4 times. 4 4s are 16. So 400 into 4 is equal to 1600. Subtract this and the remainder is 0. So the answer, what is the answer here? 3.24 is the answer. Okay children, like that, do the remaining 4 problems as homework. These 4 problems as homework. Thank you children. Bye. See you tomorrow.